Here are 10 fashion tips for women in 2025 to help you stay stylish, sustainable, and confident. 1. Sustainability is key. Focus on eco-friendly brands and materials, vintage shopping, upcycling, and opting for sustainable fabrics, like organic cotton or recycled polyester. Help reduce your environmental impact while staying fashionable. 2. Tech-enhanced fashion. Smart clothing that incorporates technology such as fabric that adjusts to temperature or has built-in LED lights will be more prevalent. Don't shy away from experimenting with fashion innovations like these. 3. Comfort is king. The rise of athleisure and functional fashion is here to stay. Choose stylish yet comfortable clothing that allows for movement. From elevated sneakers to chic sweat sets, for bold colors and patterns. In 2025, vibrant colors and unique prints are expected to dominate. Be bold with contrasting colors, unexpected combinations, and dynamic patterns like abstract prints or geometric shapes. 5. Timeless wardrobe staples. Invest in high-quality basics that can be mixed and matched. Think well-fitted jeans, tailored blazers, crisp white shirts, and versatile jackets. A capsule wardrobe makes dressing easier and more sustainable. 7. Gender fluidity. Expect to see more unisex and gender-neutral clothing. Embrace a mix of traditionally masculine and feminine pieces that suit your style without conforming to gendered fashion rules. 8. Tech-integrated accessories. Wearable tech, such as smartwatches, glasses, or even augmented reality accessories, will blend seamlessly into fashion. Stay ahead by incorporating these into your outfits without compromising on style. 9. Sleek silhouettes with an edge. Minimalist yet edgy designs will continue to gain popularity. Think clean lines with unexpected details, like asymmetry, unique stitching, or bold zippers. 10. Experiment with layers. Layering will be key, especially with unpredictable weather patterns. Mix textures and fabrics. Think combining leather with soft knits or with silk to create depth and visual interest in your outfit. These tips are all about embracing your personal, staying versatile, and being open to new ways of 2025 will be a year where function, sustainability, and creativity collide in exciting